Today I'll be re-unboxing my Kidrobot X Street Fighter toys. I don't know which version this is. You'll probably figure out yourself, or I'll put it on the title. But I bought a box of, I think, 20 of them, and these were the duplicates that my brother got, so he gave it to me. They're about like $4 or $5 each. So that was the first one. Cool, I got Ken. I've had this in storage for a while. It's pretty cool. He doesn't look as furious as I expected him to be, but he does stand up. Move this down a little bit. Ken's the first guy. We get a card and a character himself. Let's go to the next one. I think I have around 10 of these. So what do you think the next one's going to be? Kind of cheated, I just already looked at it. Oh my gosh. The next one is good old Yonda. I haven't played Street Fighter in a while, but I do have an Xbox, so maybe I'll buy that Street Fighter 3 soon. Leave this over here. Let's move this over. Move this over. Again, you can see it's not too bad. I'm knocking them over. The head actually moves a little bit, so do the arms, which might be interesting to some. Yeah. Legs don't move though. Okay, let's go to the next one. It's taking longer than I thought. I have some Justice League boxes, but I'll open that for another time. Okay. That was just my lighting going down. Next one. Let's see what the magical card shows. Oh man, that's pretty cool. Zangief. My collection looks like it's going to be complete soon. Oh, let's see, somewhere in there. Somewhere in this box. Well, let's go check out the other ones. This one looks like a Ryu, which is pretty cool. Happy just to get Ryu and Ken together. This is his traditional getup. I'll do a little Shoryuken action there. Again, you can move the head a little bit. I hope I can find Zangief. Here, found Zangief. He'd fallen out of the box, and he looks pretty mean. Like, crazy mean. Look at him. So far I'm loving it. I might just leave this on my desk. Okay. That's the next one. Here's the card. Oh, I've got a different Ryu. I got the one in gray. So I'm not going to show that one. It looks almost identical, but all he has is a blue headband and gray outfit, and same outfit. Uh-oh, what could this be? Is it Blue Blanca? Yeah. So this he's just as angry as what's it called? Zangief over there. And I'll make him like a zombie. Okay. Let me move this guy over so you can see him. Still going on. I think I just have a few more left. Okay, so who is this gonna be? Hopefully Chun-Li or something. Awesome! So, it seems like they are packaged in a little plastic thing. I take them out. Chun-Li in a nice traditional Chinese dress outfit. Or this one doesn't really look too much like her, but it's not bad. Or pose over there. Sorry, Blanca. Looks like I'm pretty happy with what I got. Who's the next one in this box? Oh, cool. Awesome. Another reason why I wanted to, what do you call it, unbox this was, they're taking a lot of space, these little boxes. So, wow, it looks very blue. It has short arms and short legs, but that's okay. Coming down to the last box. I wonder who it could be. Last one. And I'm a little worried that my brother actually just gave me the set of ones that he thought I would enjoy. And this is Guile. But at least it came with everything. And this Guile's pretty darn cool. Oh man. So this is very nostalgic for me. I love my... So, I know they have different versions of this Kidrobot X. And if you shop around, you might be able to get it for like $90 for a box of 20. So, good luck.